Have y'all ever noticed that drones don't have rearview mirrors? And it's not a flaw, it's a reminder that we're not built to fly backwards through life. No reruns, no regrets, just throttle forward, because up here in the moment, this is where healing happens. FPV teaches you the past, it don't define you, and the sky doesn't judge. So keep your eyes ahead, no rear view, just the next gate, the next flip, the next chance to be free.
Can't look back, ain't nothing there. Just sky ahead and open air. No rear view, no rewind, just right. I used to carry the weight of what I missed, mistakes and moments I can't fix. But this drone don't come with mirrors, just clear space, no fear here. Every pack is a prayer for peace, every flip is a break from grief. We can't stay stuck in what I knew, I'll fly forward, that's my truth. No rear view, just skylight, no past holding me back tonight. I'm flying and now, that's where I heal. Drop bombs wide, this freedom's real. No rewind, no chains, no fear. Every pack takes me out of here. No rear view, just what's next. Then ain't landing with regret. They say the ground is solid, but it shakes. Up here I'm steady when I break. No baggage on these carbon arms, just wind and rhythm, sky and charm. I don't chase ghosts, I chase peace. It's line of sight towards what I seek. This isn't escape, it's how I show up. Focus forward, keep that glow up. No rear view, no looking down. Past in the dust, I own the now. Throttle up, hope in sight. I fly for tomorrow through the night. One fun flight, one life, one view. Sky was always made for you. No rear view, just breaking through. Present tense with a future crew.